No, A times B equals BA. This is the law of commutative operation for the multiplication, you know? And the order of these factors, it doesn't matter. You will get the same answers, the same answer. So this means that multiplication is commutative. Now you can start thinking and building your symbolism from here. So um, there are some symbols shown in the book that you'll get to know. One of those symbols is the universal quantifier. I invite you to study these topics because these are just little drawings. You can draw whatever you want, and people agree to put some meanings of these little drawings. You can get a kid, do some drawing, and the kid will say, "Okay, I will do this. This is for you. This is your drawing." And people can agree and say, "Okay, this means that certain number is blah blah blah." No, it's just little lines. So this little this fashion dot button, I suppose, uh, means it says they call it the universal quantifier, and it goes. Please have a look at this topic. I'm just going to state it in natural language in my poor English. So for every x, it is the case that for every y, I should use probably this one, right? To be the same, a, b. But okay, this is what you get. Hopefully you're seeing this. I'm not sure if this is going to be seen in the screen. Okay, I'm missing this bracket. Now I'm going to use this one, this color. And this is the symbolism associated to state that the multiplication operation is commutative. Of course, you need to probably state over here that you're talking about any given set of numbers, but in here I'm not stating it. You need to negate this thing. All right. And even when this book and that training that I mentioned, you available on Coursera, which is amazing, you know, it's free. And even when this training is about reasoning and hard thinking, uh, this operation it's quite systematic when you're going to negate these quantifiers, but you need to be careful still. Need to be careful. So if there is a statement saying that for every x there is something that is true, then you need to find one x in which this thing isn't true. So you will end with, let's use another color. I'm not sure what I am doing this video. Perhaps I'm very happy. I don't know. uh, if there is the case that there is a statement true for every x, then if that's not true according to this negation, there will be an x from which this is not true. Now you can place the negation over here. Like here, well, because you have taken care of this part. Now you're going to negate this thing. And again, if there is something true for every y, then you will need to find a y, one of those y, in which this part is not true. Now we are negating this part. And negating this, it's equals, since we have this sign over here, it's not equal to yx. So there is an x such that there is a y such that I'm doing this for the multiplication, such that the multiplication commutative law doesn't hold. You know, this is what this is saying. And now you get to apply this reasoning to this symbol that they have given to you, and you will write your final answer. I don't know where is my. I put the camera. I think I here. I am here. You will put the final answer just like this. The main purpose of this video was the reasoning, right? Not the symbolisms and the invitation to enroll in these things, because I'm just drawing. You can do mathematics without drawing in your head. I made a video early on that topic, and the symbol, this little symbol, X, Y, looks like an eye. Okay. So yeah, the problem was this, and you need to start reasoning and thinking with from which what you know, and what you know, well, you know arithmetic, and from that you build the definition for any given thing that you know and apply it to the problem, and you get your solution. But the purpose of this video is to invite you to study mathematics, because uh, it's very gratifying. It's yeah, very gratifying. Sometimes it's very challenging. Again, perhaps this is very easy for you. You, I don't know who you are, but maybe you would be saying, "Come on, this is like I don't know." For me, this is big time, and I am able to move in the course. In the past, I was stuck, and now I am making progress. You don't have to start with this. If you are afraid that you need to revisit some topics first, I'm going to delete this now. If you need, if you feel like revisiting some basic topics, well, you can start with some arithmetic. Um, there is nothing wrong with revisiting fractions, times uh, 2, for example. Nothing wrong with revisiting this if you feel like you're missing this material, and then start building from there.